Hello everyone, I'm going to share a tool of using Libfuzzer to fuzz Zephyr Library. So what we have here is, I will first go to Zephyr. My program is in samples. We have a Hello World program. I will first show you what does this program look like. This is a really simple overflow function. The main function calling overflow essentially is calling string copy. So that's why we should have buffer overflow here. That's not the point. The point is that we want to fuzz this overflow function. Assume we have this function running on your Zephyr, but we don't know the source code. So we normally you should type make to compile the code in the function we just saw. Since I have make already, so we can see the output is in this directory. So let's see what is in there. Yeah, I'm running use Kimu. We have Zephyr ELF file here. So that's what we want. Let's see what is in this file. Sorry. Read ELF. Okay, that's everything we have here. Just after we make the target program, it will compile, right? So this is file after compiling, and this ELF contains all functions called and object and everything we need. Since we want to fuzz overflow, right? So we want to grab this one, see the location of overflow. Okay, this number and the function name are the essential key we need to record there. So in the next step, after we getting all those information, we have two files here. By the way, this all process is coming from one very helpful tutorial on here. I will show you really quick. Is here. So in this blog, the author is writing a blog about using Libfuzzer to fuzz EXIM system. So the methodology is from here, but what we did right now is we want to fuzz Zephyr. So it's a little bit different, basically, but in general, we are following the same steps. So the two files I just mentioned we need is from his blog. One is called exe2so.py. So this will convert, it's here. So this will export the target function in order to further read by Libfuzzer. So we will follow the similar steps. So we will run this command I have made here. So can just simply call it. So this is a file, and this is the destination ELF path. And remember, that's number is coming from here, and the overflow is the function name. So after we run this, we export this. And writing the object, this one is elf.so. This is what we need in the following step. So if we see on this command prompt, we see this file is being written on this directory. Okay, so next step is we need to write another program named loader. This is the function that actually load the function we need to fuzz into the Libfuzzer. So I wrote the loader cpp, call loader2 cpp. So the things we need to modify, by the way, the whole code is also coming from the blog, but we need to modify several parts. One part is here. We need to define this function first, and then open the elf.so file we just saw, and then here's the important Libfuzzer steps. So you call this function. This function is how we get Libfuzzer and your target program connected. So we wrote here, we wrote the main function, and we call this overflow. Some modification here. So after you wrote this program, you can just simply run the following command. So see, we call this function and call the fuzzer using C-along. And then, okay. So next step is the real fuzzing part. Since we already set up everything, so you can just call the fuzzer and get a fuzz, get it fuzzing.